This has probably got to be the most intelligent thing I've ever seen for sleep. Ever. Like, brilliant. I honestly don't think I could ever go back. Hey, I'm Nick McLaughlin, your friendly neighborhood ADHD coach with ADHD. This is massively helpful if you struggle with anxiety. Beehive of thoughts while you're trying to go to sleep, just calming your brain down to get ready for bed, because this is what I needed all my life. All day long, I'm trying to get in the zone, and I finally get in the zone at night, and then I work really long hours. When I lay my head on the pillow, I am not tired at all. My natural bedtime is probably 4 or 5 a.m. no matter how much sleep I got for the day, because my mind is just racing and racing with thoughts, and it's exhausting, but I'm not tired. And then I get some anxiety trying to force myself to sleep, and it just nothing helps until I found this strategy. It's absolutely game changing. By the way, I made an entire playlist just on ADHD sleep so we can focus easily the next day and have no anxiety at night. This tactic is called the cognitive shuffling method. What exactly is it? Imagine at night you have a ton of thoughts. There's just a beehive of thoughts everywhere. They're just buzzing and buzzing, and they don't shut up. And the more you try to shut them up, the more they start buzzing louder and louder and louder. Having ADHD, we just cannot turn it off. We're problem solvers, even when we're tired. So what's the solution? The solution is to fill our thoughts with something that disrupts that pattern, that just drops like a stone wall and actually leads us in a direction of relaxation instead of stress. What I love about this is I still get to problem solve with this tactic, but in a way that makes me feel like my mind is more in this, it's not like a happy place, but it's more of a relaxed place. So how does it work? Step 1, start with a neutral word. Just one neutral word. Step 2. So let's say that the word is sleep. I know, whoa, a little crazy and experimental there. I know it's irrelevant, but let's just try it out. We want to generate words based off each letter. If the word was sleep, we want to set a word like S, snake, but I wouldn't think of snakes before bed. So the words don't have to be like super relaxing, but they shouldn't be threatening things you don't want to think about. It's almost just piquing your interest enough to keep you interested in general, but not enough to go back to thinking about your life again. So for step 3, we want to visualize the word. It can be an object or a noun. We'll continue here. So let's start with S for sleep. S, spaghetti. Just thinking of the word, imagining it. L, lasagna. Oh, okay. E. Oh, elderberry. Oh, I got chills. Okay. E again. Eggs. P. Pancakes. I'm not that hungry though. I'm really not. I'm just, it's what I think of when I'm relaxed. So the next letter. I'm not apologizing for deliciousness. That's not my fault. I'm not about to apologize about deliciousness because I'm good and I'm healthy. My blood sugar is a little high, but doesn't matter. So you basically just repeat this process until you get more and more sleepy, and it genuinely works. I start thinking less and less about my life and more about just solving these little minute problems, almost just like little mind puzzles, which capture my attention, but they also make me relaxed because there's literally nothing stressful about it. If you liked any of these tips, I'd highly recommend watching this video. I have an entire playlist just on ADHD sleep, so that you can sleep well tonight if you just binge through all these videos. I'd love to hear your comments below about what your experience is with this exercise. Later, neighbors.